Oh, you're
So
putting
in
it on
inverted
there.
tie clinch. So we're working off these blocks, right? So he goes here, I go with like a shoulder and a bicep stop. I'm using both brains, right? I can hit, I can duck under. Now, we were hitting from here with the single knees. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and fasten here. I just want you to grab and fill this out. I've got the same sort of knees from here to the face, right? I can pull his head through like that and set him up into it's I commonly refer to it as a head twist, right? So we'll do two blocks. I'll just block this and then I'll block this. So he goes here, I go knee, he does with the hook here on that one. See, look at that elbow destruction that's occurring under where his bicep ties in there, right? So you got knee and you got this inverted tie clinch, okay? In which I can just punt his head with my knee, right? So with the overhand again here, knee, duck under, come in, right? You've got a knee, as they lose their consciousness, right? That would be easy to do. If they wake up, you just put them right back out on the knee, okay? So an inverted tie clinch. Typically we hold the tie clinch like this. This one is from the duck under position. Now we had this collar tie. It changes to that. Okay, so it's kind of unorthodox, but it's a very effective way to tie somebody up. The inverted tie clinch, okay? So just work that back and forth with your partner a couple of times. We'll be done with 5.